Samsung announced its new smartwatch, the Galaxy Active, is designed to make pursuing wellness goals more convenient, smarter and more fun. The watch controls blood pressure, in addition to the heart rate. It has an aluminum body with a new strap material, as well as a new face clock interface. The watch has 4 GB of storage and is also compatible with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile payments. You can track more than 39 activities, monitor rest, count steps and have built-in GPS. The company also says that its new S10 phone line will charge the watch wirelessly. Of course, the watch also includes Samsung's intelligent Bixby assistant to make calls or send messages. Additional specifications include 1.1-inch screen, 360x360, 230 mAh battery, Exynos 9110 processor, 768 MB of RAM, wireless charging based on WPC, water-resistant 5 atmospheres. Samsung says the watch will cost $199.99 and will launch on March 8 in the United States. It comes in 4 colors: silver, black, rose gold and sea green.